If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. How would you like to earn monthly residual income with very little effort on your part? Imagine if you could have your very own internet business in $1 million niche market. Well, you can with this new system that not too many people know about. With this step-by-step system you can start and grow a successful affiliate marketing business online in practically no time at all. With this system you can potentially make up to $460 per sale in online commissions. And the system that I'm talking about is the 12-minute affiliate system. This is a plug-and-play system that finally makes affiliate marketing as easy as it has always promised to be. This system is perfect for newbie and intermediate affiliate marketers. It allows you to promote affiliate products with the click of a button, even on social media. You can activate this system in as little as 12 short minutes. Once activated, you can begin to earn commissions in the biggest and most profitable niche markets with ease. The system offers great landing page templates that makes email list building easy as 1, 2, 3. You just connect your landing pages to your autoresponder, and when someone opts in, a pre-written email sequence is triggered, which allows you to follow up with your leads for months on complete autopilot. The 12-minute affiliate system is simply fantastic. It contains 5 of the highest converting funnels on the market to date. The 12-minute affiliate system is a really easy way to make money online that you have never seen before. People who know about this system simply love it. The links to the products mentioned in this video can be found below in the description. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.